Hi everybody, this is the BandiCam Coder, and all my videos are 9 minutes or less. Let's get to it. So, today I'm here to show you how to make the matrix effect, which is, well, this. Right here. I'm gonna show you how to make it do just a little bit better here, so we're just gonna new file. Now this is all coding in Notepad, and this works for any generation of Notepad, or sorry, this works for any generation of computer. Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and it even works on, can't remember. Yeah, it's like the 2005 Windows Vista. I've done all of this. Oh, wait. Here, let's just open this. Okay. New Notepad. So, what you're going to want to type here is @echo off. Now, basically what that does is it stops all these, I guess, different dumb words from showing up on here. So, let's do that. Now, if you want the whole green color, you want color 0A. Now, color 0A is that like nice green color. Now, you're gonna want a menu or an A or whatever. So, like, menu. So you can put menu and go A. You can put Q or P. Kind of looks like the little face of the tongue out. Anyways, I'm gonna go menu. Oh, menu. Now you're gonna want to go down here after you go in the menu. So this is your kind of main title page. You're gonna want to go percentage. Then you're gonna want to go in between those percentages, and you're gonna want to type in random. Now that just generates a bunch of like random like numbers. Oh, sorry here. Now copy, and now you're just gonna want to hold Control V after you copy it. Let that run for a bit. Done. Now what we're gonna want to go to is go to space under, and you're gonna want to write to go to menu or whatever you put up here. You're gonna want to go to file, save as, so you can customize a couple settings. It's not going to be a text document, so go here, all files, and you're going to want to name it anything, so just g.bat. Oh. Yeah, it's going to take a while. 4 gigabytes of RAM, everybody. That's where this gets you. Now you're just going to want to save it to desktop. There it is. G.bat. Now, there you go. There you go. But when you highlight it, it does stop. Yeah, see, this is what you really don't want here. I'm right here. Now, I haven't done this in a while, so I think this should work. Now, once you already have the file, just save it a different time. Minimize it. There we go. Okay. So, I just figured out what I did wrong. Anyways, so X. But, so, yeah. Echo off. Now, I'm going to demonstrate what would happen if you didn't have this. And, save, minimize, and, see, all that just random, like, user desktop. It's, well, echoing, where it is at. So, if I stop, yep, that's exactly where it is. That's all the commands it's doing. So when you put this on at echo off, you're basically stopping it from repeating where it is and what it is doing. Now, yep, that is the bare basics on how to do that. And just to show you that you can shorten it up, I'm going to switch that to an A, and this to an A. And save. And it still works. Easy. Yep. So that was the BandiCam Coder, and thank you for watching.